Just because a dish is one pot doesn't mean that it shouldn't have any flavor, any color, or any taste. And this right here proves all that. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy cooking video. It is a one pot dish. So let's get into it. I have some rice, some seasoned chicken, and a bunch of vegetables. If you have veggies in your fridge that you have left over or are going bad, this is the perfect dish to use this up for. Before you get started, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel after watching my short video or my long form video. I really appreciate it, and it just gave me the confidence to continue to push out these kind of videos. Thank you guys so much, and let's get into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is pan-sear these chicken, so let's get into it. Okay guys, we're starting off with my handy dandy stainless steel pan, and you need a big pan because it's a big meal, and it's heated. I'm gonna add some coconut oil. We're not gonna fry it up like fried chicken, so you just want a nice little. We're gonna leave that for a minute to heat up. Because it's a stainless steel I'm using, it do take a while to heat up. Just gonna pop them in. Look at how seasoned these are. And no, we're not gonna parboil them before because we want all of that flavor that's gonna left back after. So they're gonna take their time and set up a bit, and we're gonna go ahead and cut up the veggies. So I'm just gonna let you know what vegetables I have here, and these are already washed and clean. So I have some cabbage, some carrots. This is called bitter gourd, G-U-A-R-D. Some string beans and pepper. And I normally add like a slice of ginger in it because it is such a flavorful dish. We're gonna deal with the green beans first. I'm just gonna cut off the top and the bottom and cut them in 2 or 3 according to how big they are. I'm not using too much. just put this back. Look at how beautiful this is. Did I just say beautiful? Look at how beautiful this is. Such different color. So we're going to check on our chicken and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's cover them down for a minute just to cook through. And it is so hot. The Caribbean is normally like always sunny, but I feel like this year's summer is the hottest. It's the hottest. So how are you guys? How's the weather treating you guys where you're at? Don't mind that there's some that doesn't have like that crispy skin. That's okay. That's not their purpose. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is add all the veggies. This is the reason why it's a one pot dish, because all the flavor, all the seasoning that chicken had, and the coconut oil, we're gonna waste not and start from the bitter gourd, carrots, pepper, cabbage, and green beans. I think I lost one of them. We're not gonna add any extra butter or oil. Now I've done this recipe a couple times, but I've never added tomato paste. Normally I would have tomato in there cut up, so I feel like this will add some color to it, just a little bit. Let's add in the rice. And we're going to put some water to get the rest of the rice out. I probably need another cup of that water. You guys see that color? Ooh. Now I tried this with pasta and it is delicious, but I rather it with rice. So what I'm gonna do now is just dig up anything that stuck to the bottom of the pan, just to add flavor so that we won't have to add a lot more seasoning or salt. Okay, I think we got majority of them. There's one stuck there. So I'm gonna add, not gonna add any salt as yet, but I'm gonna add some paprika, and we're gonna let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it reaches where there's only 5 to about 7 minutes left, we're gonna add in our additional seasoning if necessary and our chicken so that it can continue cooking along with the rice. So easy. I'm gonna cover it up and leave it on about medium heat. Okay guys, I added a bit more water because the rice is still a bit hard. I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, definitely salt. It has a bit of a sweetness from the, I'm only guessing from the cabbage. So let's add a bit of salt, not too much because the chicken has salt as well, which the rice will absorb when the chicken goes on top. I'm just gonna add some paprika, mostly for color. I have some clove that I'm gonna add in now, and anise seed. Sorry. If you have never tried anise seed in your dish, you need to roll the clove. These are the anise seed. So flavorful. Just a few. Maybe 5. Okay. Just gonna close it and let it continue cooking for another 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, we are back. It's been another 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it again, just to make sure that the rice is cooked. They're pretty soft. Now I realize what I'm doing. Trying to taste the liquid with this fork. A bit tangy. So you're gonna add in these now. I'm just gonna bury them into just bury them a bit. Spread them out. Doesn't that look nice? All the colorful veggies and the chicken. Just have a bit of water left. I'm gonna add a bit more salt though. Not too much. Just because a dish is one pot doesn't mean that it shouldn't have any flavor, any color, or any taste. And this right here proves all that. That is good. I just feel like you need a bit more salt, you know. And if you guys notice, I didn't add any cayenne pepper because a dish like that only needs one thing, and that is hot sauce. This is the finished dish. Doesn't that look so good? Let's serve up and give you guys a taste test. So this is my plate, and I'm gonna add some pepper sauce first. And I was just thinking that this dish, to take out the chicken and add some shrimp and some crab, that it tastes very good. Now I had the original sound of this video, this part here. I don't know what happened to it, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. Let me know if you guys would like more cooking content. What do you want to cook next? Do you guys like the shift in my content? Just let me know. And honestly, this was so good. I ate what you guys see me ate on camera, and I went back for more. It's so simple but yet so comforting, so flavorful. and the veggies are not like melt in your mouth, which I don't like. They had a little bit of crunch to them, but they were not raw. Yeah, so this is my review of it. Please, whatever I post, please try it, especially if you are somebody who's working and just want easy dinners or easy lunch. Try them and let me know um what it was like to you and if you enjoyed it. Also, if you're like a stay-at-home mom or even a working mom, these are some dishes that are gonna be easier for you guys to make. And if you check my other dishes that are kind of kids friendly, so try them and let me know. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for all of your support thus far. I see it and I really appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next cooking video. Until then, bye.